If in a trapezium area is given and one of the side and height is given, we have to substitute the values in the equation. Here A is 34 km and height is 15 km. After substituting the values in the formula, now it's a simple linear equation, so we have to solve it. To get rid of 2, we will multiply both sides with 2. On right hand side we can cancel 2 with 2, and on the left hand side when we multiply 375 with 2 we will get 750. Now next step is we have to get rid of 15, so we will divide both sides with 15. On right hand side we can cancel 15 with 15. On left hand side when we will divide 750 with 15 we will get 50. Then we have to get rid of 34, so we will subtract 34 from both sides. On right hand side we can cancel 34 with 34, and on left hand side when we subtract 34 from 50 we will get 16. So the missing side of the trapezium is equal to 16 km.